2 years ago, I bought this 50-foot expandable garden hose for $10. This is it. 2.5 years ago. Now when I turn it on, this is a 50-foot hose. It's one end completely. It's not a matter of it being too tight enough, it just comes out completely. So it's time for me to get a new hose. This is the kind of stuff that happens normally. I didn't know how long this hose would last, but it lasted about 2.5 years. Recently I purchased this garden hose, this is the expandable kind. It's 25 foot for around $13. It's to replace this broken thingy. It just completely comes out of here. I'm not sure what's broken, but it's not fixable. So here it is. It says nice big size 25 feet. Looks like it comes with a bag. So, tie it. Instructions are pretty self-explanatory. Quick release valve, I think. One of the rubber washers. And there's the other side. Should be an easy install. Just pull this out. Put this in. That was easy. And then I just need to pop this baby onto here. Let me go do that. Plugged it in. If I want to close this, I can close it and it'll stop it from spraying. But I'm gonna leave it on. Let's see how this goes. Step 1. Turn it on. It's not spraying out of here anymore. 25 feet is kind of short until it expands. I'll show you. It's working perfectly fine. Hose is good. This is my 25-foot hose. Came with that bag and instructions, but it's working pretty good right now.